Last video I left this question for you and now I'm going to solve it. If you guys got, okay. So this is a bit of a challenge. Let's take, using this formula, n minus 1, we can take 21x 2 plus, using this formula, we get 6x1 plus 2. So this is what happens when you have this equation. Now, today we're going to work on rational differentiation. Say if you have, say, 4x on the bottom, and you have this so big of chunk. But we have this big chunk. And how are we going to differentiate this easily? How are we going to differentiate this? Simple. First, we split this into many parts. Now, we get 3x squared by 4 plus 2x by 4 plus x3 by 4. Now let's differentiate this. How in the world are we going to differentiate this big old thing? Well, there is one formula. There is this formula. Finding the differentiation of ux and vx. The differentiation is ux differentiate times vx times the differentiation of v minus the differentiation of vx times ux divided by vx squared. So now, for each of these, we are going to have to find this formula. So it's basically, what's the differentiation of 3x3? It's 9x2. Now 9x2 times vx being 4x, now 4 minus, well, the differentiation of is 0, so it's minus 0. So now over here we have by 4 squared, or 16. Okay, we got that nice and clear. So now, the first differentiation is 36x squared by 16. Now, we're going to have to add more. Now, we're going to have to use this form to find this. 2x squared by 4. Now, 2x squared by 4 is going to be, the differentiation of 2x squared, which is easily 4x times 4 minus 0 by 16. So it's basically 16x by 16, which is basically x. And now after x, we have x3 by 4. Now x3, what's the differentiation of x3? 3x squared. 3x squared times 4 minus 0 by 16. So it's 12x squared by 16, which means this is our answer. Quite a long answer, but And we can also simplify this. Actually, no, this is not really simplifying. No, we could add these up since these are both x squared. So you can get 48 x squared by 16 plus x. And 48 is divisible by 16. So we get 3x squared plus x. That is our answer. What if you want to do something more easier? What if you only have no coefficient but just this? Now this is very easy. You don't have to even use this formula. I'm giving you guys a break. All those calculus people learning this complicated stuff out there, you deserve a break. This is the most easiest thing. Because you have 2x1. And if you have something below, you have 3x to the negative 2. Which is negative 6 to the negative 3. Which is negative 6 by x third. Over here, the x4's cancel. So it's plus 4. And over here, 2x1. We differentiate that. Oh, if we differentiate 4 though, nothing happens. So, yeah, and then we add this. 2x1. You have 2. You're bound to have 2. It's negative 6x3 plus 2. That is our answer. Hopefully you understand this complicated topic, and see you later tomorrow on limits and their formulas.